The concept of minimalism. What is it? It's a lifestyle. It's the concept of living with less is more. It's living with what you need, allowing you to be free from desires to accumulate. By opening up space in your life for happiness, for relationships, for memories, things can be overbearing, as the possessions in our life define us on a far deeper level. But by letting it go, it unravels a valuable truth about ourselves. Let us be your guide in this journey. Explore the idea of minimalism. Design the house you desire, and understand the works behind these masterpieces.